Nigeria is about to make another decision. One of the features of democracy is the opportunity given to the citizens to, at every point in time, make a decision as to who govern them, and therefore, this is the opportunity that the 2023 general election provides again for the people of Nigeria. It is very apparent and clear that the country isn't working the way it ought to be. Today, the country is faced with numerous challenges in security, challenges in the economy, crisis in the educational sector, crisis in the healthcare sector, name it. All facets of life of our people is having several and a lot of challenges. Labour Party obviously is a party of equal opportunity and social justice. In fact, it's part of the logo of the program, logo of the party, equal opportunity and social justice for all. That's what the party stands for. We stand for equity, we stand for good governance, and we believe very strongly that every government policy, every thinking of government should reflect the upliftment and well-being of the people. That is why you see that in the logo of the party, it is father, mother, and the child, which is a unit of the society. We believe that every government policy, every government thinking must reflect the well-being and the upliftment of the people.